Seventh Son is a 2014 American action fantasy film directed by Sergei Bodrov, and starring Ben Barnes, Jeff Bridges, Alicia Vikander, Kit Harington and Julianne Moore. It is loosely based on the 2004 novel The Spook's Apprentice by Joseph Delaney. The story centers on Thomas Ward, a seventh son of a seventh son, and his adventures as the apprentice of the Spook. After having its release date shifted numerous times, the film was released in France on December 17, 2014, and in Canada and the United States on February 6, 2015, by Universal Pictures. The film was a box office failure which received generally negative reviews from film critics, and it earned $114 million against a production budget of $95 million.